All right, so our next question, which is question 40 of the year 1981, it says, which of the following compounds and elements would sublime on exposure to the atmosphere? A, ice, B, sulfur, C, phosphorus, D, iodine, E, potassium iodide. Now take a guess of what the answer is. Okay, let's take a look at the correct answer. But the correct answer is D. And the reason why the correct answer is D is because ice wouldn't sublime to give you gas. Ice would melt to give you water. And sulfur also wouldn't sublime. Phosphorus wouldn't sublime. Potassium iodide wouldn't sublime. The only thing that would change state from solid to gas, which is what sublimation is here, is iodine. So that is why it is the answer.